Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hopefully you were able to get outside and soak up some of that sunshine and very comfortable temperatures, although it was a chilly start, getting right around 50 degrees for most of us here in Acadiana. Unfortunately, moving into our Sunday, it does look like big changes, starting with clouds through the evening. Then by tomorrow afternoon, showers, even a few thunderstorms will be working across Acadiana before we begin to clear out Monday before another round of showers and storms heading into Tuesday. So taking a look across the country, we can see area of high pressure over towards Atlantis, keeping us clear and sunny today, but that front is already beginning to make its way through the Great Plains with the main area of low pressure up towards Iowa, pushing up into Minnesota and Wisconsin. But you can see that front draped down, now getting close to Dallas. Within the last couple hours, we're starting to see some showers firing up back through Oklahoma, and eventually we'll see that line extend down into Texas. That is what will move through tomorrow, bringing us a good likely chance for some scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms making their way through. But today, nice southerly flow brought the warmer temperatures and plenty of sunshine. Hardly a cloud out there, but we will quickly begin to see those clouds move in during the overnight. We started off in the lower 50s, some upper 40s for New Iberia to Alexandria around 7 o'clock, but with the southerly flow and plenty of sunshine, temperatures got up to 75 degrees here in Lafayette. Most other areas mid 70s. Right now we got 70 here in Lafayette, 68 for New Iberia, 71 for Lake Charles. You can see that southerly flow starting to pick up a little bit, up to 26, so it will be choppy out over the lakes and bays throughout much of this evening and into our Sunday ahead of that front that arrives tomorrow afternoon. So you can see through the overnight, clouds increase, maybe an isolated shower or storm as we wake up tomorrow morning, but the main line still just off to our north and northwest at 7 o'clock. By 10 o'clock, it's already moving into the western and northern portions of Acadiana. So from Alexandria down towards Lake Charles, I would say your timing for this will be between 9 and 11 a.m. And you do see again some of the purples and dark reds showing up. So there is a very slight chance for a few strong to possibly severe thunderstorms as this line of storms begins to push through our area. Gusty winds looks to be the main issue, up to about 60 miles per hour. But a good decent shower or two right around noon for Lafayette, then pushing down to the south and southeast with clearing by tomorrow evening as that front begins to dissipate as it heads towards New Orleans and over into the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Area of high pressure builds in by Monday morning. That'll begin to clear us out a little bit, so we'll go a mix of sun and clouds for our Monday as high pressure continues to be in place during the day. But by the afternoon, that's when we'll start to see our next frontal system beginning to develop out to the west as it makes its way into Texas and Oklahoma. Is the clicker going to move forward for me? All right, let's just try and jump ahead to the next slide and see if that'll work. Doesn't seem to be wanting to work for me. But there's our front beginning to now make its way into the area. But what we're going to be watching for tomorrow evening is a low pressure system that will develop just out ahead of the front. That's where there's a good possibility for some severe weather late Monday evening into early Tuesday night. It looks like a good chance for some strong to severe tornadoes possible up towards the Memphis area. We're not going to really see a whole lot of that. We'll just maybe see some scattered showers early Tuesday morning. This is around 1 o'clock as the initial front begins to make its way through the area, then sliding off to the east by about 7 a.m. So I don't think any issues heading into work for Election Day on Tuesday. And with high pressure building in on the backside, it should turn into a very beautiful Tuesday. Mostly sunny skies, temperatures back into the mid 70s. But as mentioned, further tomorrow afternoon, that's when we're going to have that marginal risk for some damaging wind gusts, maybe a spin-up tornado, but it only looks to be about a 5% chance in any one 25-mile radius. So not looking overly that impressive, but something we're going to be paying attention to. But as mentioned, Monday evening into early Tuesday morning, a much better chance for some strong and severe storms moving through the southeast, mainly as mentioned, North Mississippi up towards Memphis. Slight chance across northern portions of the Pelican State, while most of Acadiana, again, just in that marginal risk at a 5% chance. But I would say from Ville Platte up to Alexandria, you're maybe in that 15% chance. So we'll be watching these storms in the coming days to see exactly what happens. But I do want you to start kind of preparing as we move into the fall. We're going to see more of these events making their way in across the area. So clouds will be moving in through the rest of this evening. 72 for the overnight low, so not as cool. We'll be about 10 degrees warmer than we were yesterday this morning. Stray shower possible late through the overnight. And don't forget, Daylight saving time ends this evening, so clocks will be falling back after midnight. So we'll go from 2 o'clock back to 1 o'clock, but that also means sunsets will be earlier, 5:19 tomorrow evening. So that sun will be heading down quickly. Cloudy and dreary day for our Sunday. Scattered showers and storms likely late morning into the afternoon. Few could be on the strong to severe side, 75 for the afternoon high. Brief break on Monday, but there you see the chance up again late Monday into Tuesday. Drying out Tuesday and Wednesday and staying warm, lower 80s to upper 70s with a mix of sun and clouds. Another chance for some scattering showers come Tuesday or Thursday into Friday with the next little system. So we're going to see some multiple cold fronts push into the area, but then some big shot of cold air by next week, and highs low the mid 60s. Overnight lows could get down into the 30s. So moving into November and starting to feel like it maybe.
All right. Thank you, Eric. Thank you for the reminder to fall back.
Yes.
Yeah, because I'm excited to be able to get that extra hour of sleep.
Everyone loves that extra hour of sleep.